Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a special classic car. So let's check on it. This is the Centy Toys Queen 70s Classic. This toy car is available in 4 colors and has many features. So let's open this. Wow, this has a pullback action and openable doors. So let's not wait. So we have opened the box and now let's explore the car. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell button to get notification of my new videos. This is the toy car. It's a 1:32 scale model toy of Premier Padmini. This is a 4-seat saloon manufactured by Premier Automobiles, and it is one of the most favorite cars of Indians. Also known as Fiat 1100, this car was the queen of Indian roads. This is a made in India product, Queen 70s by Centy Toys. This is a 1:32 diecast scale toy car. This toy model has 2 openable front doors and a well detailed interior. This toy car has pullback action feature. This is a little cute toy car you can own. If you want to purchase this, please check the description. If you like the video, please click on the like button. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye.